equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, turn off your Conga 3690 and unplug it from the charger. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery compartment on the underside of the vacuum. You will see a series of screws securing the cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. Take a moment to clean the area inside the compartment with your soft cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate here, affecting the performance of your vacuum. Now, you will see the battery. Disconnect the old battery by gently pulling the connector away from a socket. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Take your new battery and connect it to the socket, ensuring it clicks into place securely. It's important to double-check that the connection is firm to avoid any issues later on. Once the new battery is in place, replace the battery cover. Align it properly and press down gently. Now, take your Phillips screwdriver and reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. After securing the cover, it's a good idea to give the entire unit a quick wipe down. This not only keeps your vacuum looking good, but also helps maintain its functionality. Now, plug your Conga 3690 back into the charger and turn it on. Allow it to charge fully before using it again. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Finally, if you encounter any issues or if the vacuum doesn't operate as expected, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. We are here to help you keep your Conga 3690 running smoothly. Following these steps will ensure your vacuum is ready to tackle any cleaning task with its new battery. Happy cleaning! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.